Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials, because many problems are simple fixes. First, open Action Center and make sure airplane mode is off and the Wi-Fi tile is enabled. This turns the adapter on. Next, check the router lights and confirm another phone or laptop can reach the internet. If not, reboot the router. Once done, plug in an Ethernet cable or enable phone tethering so you can download drivers or updates during deeper troubleshooting. Now you diagnose the adapter and its drivers, because missing or disabled drivers hide networks. Open Device Manager and expand network adapters. If the wireless adapter is disabled or shows a warning, enable it or update its driver. If update fails, uninstall the adapter, then choose Scan for hardware changes to reinstall. Once reinstalled, run Windows Network Troubleshooter to let Windows detect configuration issues. Make sure to read any error text. Finish by rebuilding the network stack and checking router settings, because corrupted profiles or incompatible bands often hide SSIDs. In Settings, go to Network and Internet and run Network Reset to remove all adapters and reinstall them, then restart. Make sure your router broadcasts the SSID and that the laptop supports the chosen band. Some older cards only see 4 GHz. If networks still don't appear, try a USB Wi-Fi adapter to isolate hardware, and if needed, contact your ISP or device support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.